Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y33s, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to start off by opening up a content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this. So once you have your content open and visible on the screen, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. There you go. And once you hold it for about a second, it just captures a screenshot. If you could see it, it did give us a pop-up that there is also a different way of capturing it, not just with the two keys, but also with 3 finger swipe down. For some reason, it just gave me the same pop-up once again. We have also split screen 3 finger swipe up, and that's basically it. So let's go back to it. Hopefully, yep, there we go. We can actually now see the pop-up, and here we have something like a long screenshot with it. Once you press it, it looks like I need to scroll it down manually, which is actually really nice. So once I scroll it down however far down I want, it will capture it from whatever the starting point was all the way up to here. And from here I can select save. And there we go, as you can see there's our long screenshot. Now all the screenshots that I have captured, which is about 4 of them, or 3, can be found in my Photos application. Actually looks like it's 2 only. So there's the long screenshot and then there's the normal one. So there we go. For some reason it didn't capture the 2 first screenshots where it gave me the pop-up. Not sure why. So yeah, keep that in mind if you're taking your screenshots right at the beginning and you get that pop-up. Keep on capturing till you actually don't see that 3 finger swipe up guide, because apparently it just completely removes the screenshot and doesn't capture anything. So yeah, but anyway, that is how you capture your screenshot and also where you can find them. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.